Okay, so I have a two multimedia port in my hand now. Both is identical in the front. I call it this one is version 2 because there's a separation between the USB and the other connector. So I'm using this I found in the local shop, Shopee, Malaysia. Is a Y connector from 1 to 2. Friend recommend me to getting this. I think he already observed the connector is perfectly fit to here. Yep, it's perfectly fit, and now it's time to why I need this, because my car connection, the car connector is using this one, is from the old type, the version 1. So the male incoming is a male connector through here. So that's why the reason I need to take it out, this connector, and reuse it again. That is the only thing can do. So prior to removing this from here, it's quite difficult. Is very high resistance solder. The most can do is using this one, Captain tape, and put it around here, and you touch it only to this area, and swiftly take it out. So I already done that, but I didn't use Captain tape. But eventually is removable. It take a long process, about half an hour to do it. It's quite, this is very strong last time to do it, but I think if using this one to cover it, this part, and the rest of it should be fine. Then okay, that's number one. So I put it back here. Let's try to do it. This video maybe take long. Okay, so that's why I need this connector and connect it to here. So I just leave it here, this one, because it's a Y connector. So I already have a marker on each of the wire necessary to be plugged into from here to here. So I already look at it, and only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cable. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yeah, so total 7 cable, and the rest remaining actually is not been used because it's Toyota one. And this one I want to make it. I want to give a try. This can be fit into here. Yeah, so let's try again. Let's try. I'm cutting this. So I managed to cut, and then this will be connected like this. Yeah, so it can go in, no problem. It's very nice. Okay, now I try to bend this one of them to make it straight. Okay, it's possible. Okay, so I'm going to do this one by one to make it straight. Okay, I managed to make it straight, all of them become like this. And so the leg will not same. So if I do this, sorry, use the small one. You can see it's go in perfect. Yeah. So just need to resolder each of this, and maybe no need. Then cover it using the shrink tube. Okay, first of all, I make it all same with the small one. Cut it. Yep. So I will use this and skip the video. Okay, I'm done the cutting. Actually, it's more easy if you have a cutter like this. I have, but I think I just use a Dremel to do it just now. If you have a cutter, pry cutter, just cut more faster. Okay, let's try again. Yep, so perfectly go in. Yeah, just need to resolder one of them one by one. So I need to do it on all here. Okay, all 7 is done, cut. Okay, so I just done plug it in everything and use the shrink tube, put it in like this. So later on I just heat up using a torch gun to make it you call this, yeah, I haven't do the solder yet. I don't know whether that's necessary or not. I think, yeah, later I try to solder. I'm going to test like this first, see whether it works. Basically the diagram is opposite direction of this, so must be look at it like this. Then the, yeah, so this is pin 1 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then so on 8 9, then until 16. Yeah, so until 16. So starting point is 1 here, 16 is below here. So this is 1 2 3 4. So this is USB, not used. That's why I take it out. I didn't use the USB. Then coming towards to here, the position is not like this. Position will be like this. This is why I understand. Yeah, should be like this. So 1 here. This is 1, and this is the 12. 12 is here. Number 1 here. Number 1 should be the auxiliary L. Second one will be auxiliary right. And coming through here should be auxiliary L is here. Number 3. Yep. Yep. So I'm going to maybe do a testing like this first before I apply everything. Okay, I just connect the thing. This is a test. Connect everything. The USB also. This USB connected directly to the head unit. Then and here is straight away say aux connected. So let's turn on the volume up 20. I don't have a file music in my phone, so I just do a live. So the aux is working. So now I tested the cable. You see upper CarPlay is connected. Yeah. So the USB also working. So the diagram there's some change a bit. So I'm going to install this and make it permanent on the cable. Okay, after testing done, I think I decided to cut the other end and straight from here to here. So I confirm the diversion is correct. So I just need to solder this now. So just need to solder one by one.
Okay, then
and slide it off the swing tube.
okay.
So the swing tube is done. Now touch it. Okay, a little bit burn on the. Okay, things with okay. Okay, so then I will tape with the tape it cloth tape. Because now only here is meant for this pin is not huge. Everything okay. Okay, some of the cable is longer, but okay, that's it. And time to plug into the